If you're coming back to my channel, welcome back, you guys. And if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Aman. And in this channel, you will find me sharing with you guys some quick and easy tips and tricks and see me guiding you through each step on how to create these easy, inexpensive, also known as affordable, creative DIY projects made at the comfort of your own home. If you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified every time when I post a new video. Now, since Father's Day is around the corner, so in today's video, I will be sharing how I made these 3 Father's Day gift ideas. Also, if you are interested in checking out other DIY Father's Day gift videos, you can check out these videos up here as well. I'm going to leave the link just up here. Be sure to check those videos out. I hope those videos can also be very helpful for you guys as well. So without wasting much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video. To make this DIY project, the first thing you're going to need is 2 construction papers, colors of your own choice, a detail pen knife, you can also use scissors, a glue stick, Sharpie pen, some markers, and also stickers. To get started, I'm going to first grab a colored construction paper and fold it in half. Next, I'm going to draw out a heart shape on the crease. Next, using a detail cutter, if you don't own one, you can use scissors. I'm going to cut out the heart shape and make sure to leave a small portion intact on each side. Next, attach the card to a larger piece of paper by using some glue. Now, inside the card, feel free to be creative. I wrote a small message on the pop-up card and drew some stars around it. Once that's complete, next I'm going to decorate the front of the card. And once that's done, here is the finished look, you guys. To get started, the first thing you're going to need is a white piece of paper, masking tape, paint, color of your own choice, including paintbrushes, a pencil, and a picture frame. Start off by first grabbing a white piece of paper, then using some masking tape, make your stencil on the paper. Usually it can get hard to peel the tape off a paper, so I also drew out the word for those who don't want to use the tape and can simply draw it out using a pencil. Next, grab your favorite colors of paint and use it to paint the whole paper. Make sure it's all covered up. The more colorful, the better. Then wait for the paint to dry, and once the paint is dry, peel off the masking tape. If you find some areas of the words uneven, simply apply some white paint. Let that dry. Once it's dry, place it in a picture frame, and here is the finished look. To get started, the first thing you're going to need is a construction paper, color of your own choice, a empty water bottle, scissors, stickers, glitter tape is optional, glue stick, a clear tape, and a stapler. Start off by first grabbing an empty water bottle, make sure that it's nice and clean from the inside, and then next cut off the upper portion of the bottle using scissors or a knife, and once that's done, grab a colored construction paper, making sure that it fully wraps around the bottle perfectly. Next, place a piece of tape from top to bottom and fully wrap it around. Once that's complete, staple it to secure it from opening, and then next decorate it by using some stickers and some glitter tape to cover the stapled side. And once that's complete, here is the finished look. And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. For all my video updates, you can check me out on Instagram. My Instagram is _Amanpreet Matharu. Also, you can follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is _Amanpreet Matharu as well. The links are down in the description below and just down here as well for you. I have recently created my new vlog channel. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below. Be sure to check out my first vlog. I'm gonna be making another video very soon, so for all my video updates, again for my DIY channel and for my vlog channel. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me on my Instagram to stay up to date on when I post my new videos.
Today's video shout out goes to all the fathers out there and wishing you a happy Father's Day.
And also, if you want to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And you'll be instantly entered in to get a shout out in my next video. And thank you so much. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and bye.